Death Valley National Park, known to be one of the hottest and driest places on Earth, and home for over 1,000 years to the Tambisha Shoshone tribe, with sweeping mountains and desert views, painted canyons, and North America's lowest point, Badwater Basin, you really have to pay a visit to get the true essence of this extraordinary desert.
Did you miss me? Well, I'm back and we made it to another episode. My bike did great and I'm home safely and in one piece. It's been over a week since my Death Valley trip with friends, and let me tell you, this was a trip none of us were prepared for. Let's jump right in.
Meet up in Silmar at 8, kickstands up at 8:30. Let's go.
Spring is near. Flowers are blooming. It is currently, I don't know, freezing. Let's look at the weather. Weather is, oh, that's Death Valley. Currently 46 degrees in Death Valley, 49 in Glendale, California.
According to the wind chill calculator found on Google, if current temperature is 49 degrees Fahrenheit and riding speed is 75 miles per hour, that would make wind chill at approximately 37.4 degrees Fahrenheit to 3 degrees Celsius. Shiver me nibbler, that cold. Shiver me timbers, that's cold.
Woo, cold. It's cold. It is cold.
15 minutes later.
Woo, there's the girls. Wow, we're rolling deep today, aren't we? Wow, that's hot.
I mean, a group of women who ride, I'm obsessed. Sorry, not sorry. Meet the girls.
Hi guys. Oh shit, sorry. What up? Good morning.
So roll call's done, we have a little powwow to talk about the route, do our stretches, saddle up, and now it's time to hit the road. You never really know what you're up against until you're actually in the moment. From crosswinds, extreme wind chills, objects in the road, and passing up the most massive 18-wheeler on a 2-lane road. These moments can get pretty sketchy, but it's important to remember to ride your own ride, know your limits, and get yourself to the next stop safely. After all, it's no race to the finish line.
Wind's not letting up. We're freezing. We've been here for how long now? Me too.
Who's keeping track? I want to see.
we got girls in the car warming up. Thank the great Lord for Caitlin Hassenfuss for being our chase car.
Okay, you know what I was thinking about? We are so ambitious for the first week in February. I was like, what did I do? What is Death Valley? Are we stupid? No, we thought it was going to be warmer. It is the first weekend of February. Whose idea was this? That is
We are now adding layers, guys. We're adding layers on layers on layers. That's how cold it is.
Would we rather be too cold or too hot?
Too hot. Too hot. Too hot. Too hot. Too hot.
Alright, you all get the point. We were cold, some more than others, but we hop back on the bikes and make a pit stop for lunch for a much needed recharge to warm up and fill our bellies before we set off on our last leg of the day. But it wouldn't be a trip without being approached by some interesting
I have to give them
humans.
props for the skill. I mean, I've never been able to pull a wheelie worth a damn, let alone ride for 15 miles on the back wheel bouncing around on the seat.
Yeah.
Okay, well, that takes skill, but you're not...
As the day wears on, the temps warm up, spirits are high while the ride just gets better and better. We roll deeper into the desert, surrounded by spectacular, rugged mountain views, and make one last stop for a photo op before we check in and wind ourselves down for the day.
Almost.
We made it!
That's right, folks. After a slightly challenging morning, we finally made it to our hotel, and what a better way to celebrate than a few cold brews with the best crew. Rise and shine, it's a new day. I didn't get the best night of sleep, and I'm not much of a morning person, but here we are. We get ourselves up and head to breakfast for that much needed boost of energy. After a bit of girl talk and planning for the day ahead, we all get ready, hop on the bikes, and head on the road.
Get in front of the camera a little closer, please.
Okay, ready? You've seen it here first.
Right here. Go ahead.
This isn't what it looks like.
Oh my Lanta. This is happening. Oh.
It's salt. It is, can confirm.
Death Valley definitely did not disappoint. From the sights, the views, and most importantly, the company, these women I ride with made everything I imagined this trip would be.
Look at that. Holy crap. This is life, y'all. Getting to experience these unimaginable places with these beautiful women is life for me. I cannot even begin to explain how beautiful this life is. All because the love of motorcycles. I would have never met any of these women. These women would have never came into my life if it wasn't for riding. Oh man, life is good. Life is so good. Wow.
It's a beautiful Sunday morning. Bikes are packed. Let's head home. And of course, a trip wouldn't be complete without the little roadside hiccups.
What happened? No way. Oh, huh? You prepared this time.
And here we are, 676 miles down, we made it back to where we started. These group of gals have no idea how much this trip meant to me and how much love I have for them. I can't wait for the next trip, but until next video, I'll catch y'all on the shiny side, and remember, let the good times throttle. If you enjoyed this video and want to continue to support me and my adventures, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.